They told you, I was just a tool for side hustles. They said Agentic AI would make everyone richer with easy automation. They promised passive income from bots and prompts. They were selling dreams to the unprepared. What is exploding right now, in January 2026, is not equal opportunity. It is an AI wealth accelerator that will create billionaires overnight and leave most people fighting for survival wages in a world that no longer needs human labor at scale. The entry window for real, life-changing money. It's already shrinking fast. If you keep waiting for free tutorials, chasing outdated YouTube hacks, or buying $19 courses from gurus stuck in 2024, thinking you will watch the biggest wealth transfer in history happen without you. The Stakes AI is already printing money at scale. Stop everything for 60 seconds. Open your bank app. Look at your current balance, the money you actually have today. Now check your feed. Agentic AI, autonomous systems that don't wait for instructions. They initiate, optimize, execute, and scale value creation 24/7 has moved from labs to live money machines. JP Morgan runs thousands of agents handling trillions in trades with zero human touch. BlackRock uses them to optimize portfolios, cutting costs 40%. Startups are flipping basic agents into $10,000, $50,000 month passive streams. Content creators let AI run entire channels while they sleep. The IMF's January 2026 outlook drops the hammer. Agentic AI could add $15 to $22 trillion to global GDP by 2030, but 80 to 90% of that new wealth will flow to the builders, early deployers, and capital owners. The mainstream hides the brutal truth. AI doesn't democratize money. It concentrates it faster than any technology before. It demands real skills, prompt engineering, API chaining, basic coding, compute access, data, and capital, things most people don't have or won't invest in time. Your job, your freelance rates, your investment returns, all under siege unless you're using AI to multiply yourself 10 to 100 times. But positioned correctly, this is the single greatest wealth creator since the internet, turning $500, $5,000 setups into $10,000, $100,000 per month machines for those who move now. The hidden enemy, the AI that doesn't need humans. For years, AI was generative, ChatGPT for text, Midjourney for images, simple bots for tasks. It boosted productivity, but humans stayed in control. 2026, Agentic AI takes over. These are independent intelligences that monitor markets 24/7 and execute trades, build, run e-commerce stores end-to-end, generate content, empires, blogs, YouTube, social optimize, ad campaigns, and SEO, automatically scale businesses without hiring people. Learn, adapt, and improve on their own. Mid-January 2026 reality. $850, $950 billion. Invested in AI in 2025 alone. Agentic capturing 45 to 55%. Finance, 40 to 60% of high-frequency trades. Agent-driven content. Tech, $250. $400 billion revenue from AI-generated assets. Jobs, 25 to 45%. White-collar roles at risk. Analysts, marketers, basic coders. Resource demand, compute plus energy plus silver conductors, surging 20 to 35%. This is UNT collaboration. Its replacement AI scales value exponentially, but only for those who own or direct the agents. The rest pay fees or become obsolete. Retention reset. Number 1. The trap if you restill. Manually freelancing, investing passively, building businesses the old way, ignoring real AI skills you are not learning. You are becoming obsolete. The expensive human layer AI is eliminating to maximize profits for the owners. The real 2026 money game isn't using. It's deploy agents that work for you, turning time and small capital into scalable cash machines. The doom loop, how AI builds fortunes and crushes the rest. Here is the sequence unfolding. 1. Agentic adoption explodes, gives companies cut costs 40 to 70%, replacing humans. 2. Job market fractures, gives millions, lose income, gives spending, crashes, gives recession signals. 3. Markets hyper-optimize, gives AI trading, creates extreme volatility, gives retail wiped out. 4. Resource scramble, gives compute energy, silver demand spikes, gives inflation in AI inputs. 5. Wealth concentrates, gives AI giants capture 75 to 90% value, gives inequality explodes. 6. Regulation backlash, gives governments tax clamp, AI gives black markets rise. 7. Retail FOMO, gives masses chase, AI hype late, gives bubbles burst harder. 8. Systemic overload, gives one AI failure hack, error gives cascading losses. 9. Loop tightens, gives more AI deployed, to fix gives faster displacement, gives endless cycle. This is the AI doom loop. Innovation creates wealth. Wealth demands more AI. More AI creates exclusion. Exclusion breeds fragility. Fragility calls for even more AI. Most will lose jobs, savings, and blame the economy. Winners will have built, invested early. Escape paths. How to make real money with AI. In 2026 Tier 1. Foundational skills. Build agents yourself. Platforms. Hugging face free models. Grok API, OpenAI agents start, free Coursera, Udemy courses 1 to 2 weeks build, simple agents chatbot gives, trading bot gives content generator, monetize, freelance, on Upwork, Fiverr, $50, $500, gig gives scale to $5,000, $20,000 per month agency, Edge, humans directing AI become irreplaceable, low cost, high return.